Something amazing that happened today was the level of connection that I experienced. Just, I guess, letting go of the drama I keep myself in, and allowing something else to be. And the connection was something so profound. I don't think I've experienced it before. Well, it's not true. It's like when my child was born. If you want to move forward in your life, you're going to have to let yourself be uncomfortable. I mean, I definitely have been a person through most of my life. It's like, oh, that's too woo-woo for me. And, but I also want to make changes in my life. I want to make big changes in my life. Wow, it's a wonderful, beautiful, fun life. When we let go of our, I guess it would be let go of our ego, let go of the me, and connect and be the we. And yeah, it's really cool.